Today we'll talk about how can you find bot posts on your CiCi app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find uh, your bot post. So you just go down here, you click your own profile down here, just click on it. So when you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on bot here, you just click on it. So when you click here on bot, it's going to show for you like this here. Then here we'll find our bot you create in this list here. Like you see here, I have nothing yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.